Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly predictions from 1st of March 2021 to 7th of March 2021. You know very well my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign and zodiac sign. Just keep your ascendant sign in your mind and listen to my video. You will definitely get some information related to your life, and you will able to make your life easy and better after watching this video. So let's talk about Aries Ascendants. Aries Ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Your Ascendant Lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu in Taurus sign. These 7 days is not very productive for you. You will be a part of any problem. You will see a lot of up and down in your professional life. You are not feeling comfortable. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Relationship with your family members will be matter of concern. Relationship with elders at your home will be matter of concern. You are not feeling happy and comfortable. Don't sign any new document. Don't start any new business venture, because this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you, because your Ascendant Lord hemmed between Rahu Ketu. These 7 days, especially Monday and Tuesday, will be a bit struggling for you when you are not comfortable in the terms of your earning, because your source of earning is not as per your expectations. Wednesday and Thursday, you are feeling a bit relaxed, but expectations, earning is not very well as per your expectations. So don't try anything new business venture. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone, because this time is not very productive for you, because your Ascendant Lord is with natural malefic planet Rahu, and Venus is also your 7th Lord, is also combust. So Friday and Saturday will be a better days for you, when you will enjoy good time with the family friend. But overall, this whole week brings a lot of challenge for you at your workplace, when you are feeling very low energy, disturbed, and your peace of mind is missing. You are trying to perform your best, but your seniors are not satisfied from your performance if you are in job. So try to perform your best and give your 1000% best at your workplace. But overall, this whole week brings a lot of challenge, a lot of up and down, and you are not feeling comfortable. You are feeling a lot of negative energy. You are feeling very low and very upset and disturbed. So my dear friends, chant mantra Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama every time, morning, evening, night, every time, and must read Lord Hanuman Chalisa 3 times in a night before you sleep, and must visit Lord Hanuman temple on Tuesday night or Saturday night. You will feel much relaxed, and you will be in a great confidence after doing this, after chanting this mantra or Lord Hanuman Chalisa, and visit Lord Hanuman temple. And I'm suggesting you don't invest your money anywhere. Aries, this is not very productive time. You will be a part of any problem, any litigation, or you may face a lot of financial crunch this week. So now I'm going to talk about Taurus Ascendants from 1st March to 7th of March 2021. Taurus, this whole week brings a lot of good news for you. But unnecessary headache is there. Unnecessary tension are there. You may get promoted. You may get a salary hike, and you will enjoy a lot of monetary terms. Good fortune is in your favor, but your Ascendant Lord is in combust, and Saturn is in on sign in 9th house, will give you a lot of good fortune, when you will enjoy all round success. But you need to perform your best, be honest, be humble, live your life in discipline, always follow the rules and regulations about your job at workplace. The more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. This whole week brings a lot of positive change for you. But unnecessary tension and headache is there, because Mars Rahu Angarak Yog is in your 1st house. You are not feeling comfortable. You are performing your best. You are doing everything in a nice way, but your mind is not free. Your mind is always disturbed. You are feeling negative, insecurity. You are feeling a lot of low energy. So don't think negative. Nothing happens wrong with you. This is a time only for the month of March and mid of the April, when Mars Rahu is in your 1st house, create a lot of confusion in your mind. But overall, you will be a part of any big venture. You will be a part of any successful venture in this week. Monday and Tuesday, biggest game changer days for you, when you will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health. You will enjoy very good monetary terms. You will enjoy all around success, and your health will be fine. Your finances will be upgrade, and your savings will rise. Wednesday and Thursday, your seniors are very satisfied from your performance and you will enjoy all around success. Taurus, you just need to perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains for you. If you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your birth chart, you will definitely rock. Wednesday and Thursday, if you want to start something new, you may start, because this whole week brings a lot of new opportunities for you. अपने आप को डराए नहीं, you know, stay positive, stay happy, stay healthy and be positive thinker. If you think positive, then everything happens good with you. If you think negative, nothing happens good with you. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy one quality time with your family and friend. You may go for some short distance journeys and you will enjoy very good time there. Taurus, this whole week brings lot of positivity and positive energy for you if you think positive. So try to perform your best, try to put your 100% efforts at your workplace. You will definitely grow like a sun. You will definitely shine like a sun. Taurus, discipline, honesty and positive thinking is your keys of success in this week. From 1st March to 7th March, you will be a part of any successful venture and you will enjoy all around success, because this week is for you. Don't think about this that your ascendant lord is combust, but plus point is your 9th lord is transit in 9th house in a strong degree. It will give you lot of good fortune. So when good fortune is in your favor, your mud will become gold. So this is a very productive week for you, Taurus. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Gemini, you need to be careful while talking with your elders at home. Give some respect to your elders. Show your honor and respect to your elders. Don't use any wrong word in front of your elders. Try to be a polite talks. This whole week brings a lot of challenge, lot of struggle for you. But some unexpected gains are there from hidden sources. You need to be careful while signing any document. Someone may cheat you. If you are interested to willing in PR or work permit in foreign land, you will definitely blessed with a success. Foreign related activity will make you happy. This whole week from 1st March to 7th March, you will enjoy all around success. You will enjoy a lot of success related to foreign activities. If you are willing to apply work permit, this is the right time. If you are willing to travel in foreign land, this is the right time. If you are willing to apply for PR, then this is the right time. Or if you are already applying PR, you will get PR definitely. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while talking with your elders. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful while investing your money in anywhere. Don't invest your money anywhere. Wednesday and Thursday will be a better days when you will enjoy some small gains from your workplace. And your seniors will be satisfied from your performance, but your work demand more efforts from your side, because Saturn is in 8th house, Jupiter is in 8th house, and Venus is combust, your 5th lord is combust. You need to put your 100% energy and efforts at your workplace, then you will get fantastic results. Otherwise, you will feel very low energy. You are not in a comfort zone. Friday and Saturday, again, you will be a part of any litigation or problem. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Your savings and expenditures is unbalancing. Gemini, perform your best. This is a time when God check your patience. Be in patience. Be relaxed. Don't think negative about yourself. You will be a winner after some time. But this year will bring a lot of up and down for you. And this time, this whole week, from 1st March to 7th March, you will learn a lot of good things about your life, and you will gain a lot of experience. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Some good ceremony happens at your home. You will enjoy very good source of earning. Your health will fine, your savings will rise, and you will be a part of any new business venture. You will get a lot of opportunity to start some new business, and this is a very good time. You will blessed with some unexpected gains. Mars Rahu is in your 11th house. You will get a lot of good gains from elder siblings. You will get a lot of good gains through higher authority. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your mother health. Your mother health will be a matter of concern. You're not feeling comfortable. Relationship with your mother or health of your mother will be create some problem in your mind. Wednesday and Thursday, you will earn a lot of money. You will earn a lot of name, fame at your workplace. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy all around success. Cancer, perform your best. This whole week brings a lot of positivity at your home. This whole week brings a lot of good gains in your workplace. You will enjoy all around success. Cancer, this week never come back. When Jupiter Saturn is in your 7th house, you will get lot of business opportunities. You will enjoy a lot of gains. Smart gains are there. Good health you will enjoy, and very good relationship with your elder and younger siblings. And Wednesday and Thursday, you need to be careful because these 2 days will be a biggest game changer for you. You will get a lot of new opportunities. You may execute any opportunity after thinking, because someone may try to promise something else and deliver you something else. And Friday and Saturday, you may go for some short distance journey. It will make you happy and you will enjoy great success. Financial, you will be top. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, good health, good gains, savings are there, some new partnership ventures are there. You will enjoy great success, Cancer. Read Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Read this mantra 108 times, 121 times, 151 times. The more you chant this mantra Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, the more you feel positive energy and your mother health will be fine. Must read Shiv Chalisa every day morning 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. You will feel much relaxed and better. Let's talk about Leo ascendants from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Leo, your ascendant Lord transit in Aquarius sign in your 7th house from your ascendants. You need to be careful about your spouse health. Relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Don't show your ego or attitude in front of your life partner or business partner. This whole week you will be get a lot of new opportunities, but you have to wait to apply that opportunities in reality, because dynamics is not in your favor. Monday and Tuesday, very rewarding days. Some unexpected money will knock you. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your business partner will support you. Your life partner will support you. But you need to be careful while talking with everyone. Don't show your ego and attitude. Now I'm going to talk about Wednesday and Thursday. Will be again wonderful days for you when you feel much relaxed and comfort. Relationship with your wife and relationship with your mother will be ultimate. You will enjoy all around success. Your savings will rise. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Some unexpected source of earning will make you happy. Leo, you just need to perform your best. Do your wonders. Try to do a good deeds with everyone. And this whole week brings a lot of good things with you related to your business partnerships, because your ascendant Lord is in your 7th house. Your source of earning will develop. Wednesday and Thursday, you will blessed with a good gains. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy all around success and you will get a lot of mental peace, because your 1st house receive aspect of your ascendant Lord from 7th house. Leo, the more you do good karma with everyone on this earth, you will get a lot of benefits in this week. Try to perform your best. Try to go for some charity. Try to go for some help to needy people. You will definitely blessed with a lot of success. Friday and Saturday, you will spend quality time with your family and friend. You may go for some long distance, short distance journey. Journeys are seen related to your profession in this week. Leo, you need to perform your best. The more you put effort at your workplace, the more you get blessed result. Try to read Aditya Hridaya Stotra every day morning and read Om Hara Hari Haro Sa Suryaya Namah mantra every day morning 108 times. You will feel much relaxed and better. This whole week brings lot of opportunity, but this is not a right time to apply all these opportunities in reality. You have to wait. Keep all opportunities in your mind and wait for the right time. This is not a right time. Just be patient, relax. Very soon you will be in a very good events of your life, Leo. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo ascendants. This whole week brings mixed fruit for you. Monday and Tuesday will be a rewarding days for you. Some unexpected money will make you happy. You may start something new. Your source of earning will develop and you will enjoy all around success. Your life partner will support you. You will get unexpected money gains from old investment in stock market or real estate if you are already investing, or if you are willing to invest your money in stock market, then this whole week brings very good opportunities for you. You must invest your money in stock market. You will bless with a lot of profit. Virgo, the more you put effort at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results, because your 5th house Jupiter Saturn transit in this week, and you will enjoy a lot of gains. Monday and Tuesday, you will enjoy unexpected gains. You will enjoy very good atmosphere at your workplace, at your home. Your spouse will support you. Your love life will be excellent. You will enjoy some quality time with your family and friend. Virgo, this whole week brings a lot of happiness, peace of mind, especially Monday and Tuesday. Very rewarding days for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you may start something new. You plan to start something new, but you have to wait because Venus is combust. Don't try to start anything new. If you want to start, you have to wait till mid of April. After 15-16 April, you may start anything new. But this whole week, you will get a lot of opportunity. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These 4 days will be a biggest game changer in the terms of your source of earning, in the terms of your mental peace, in the terms of your relationship with your spouse. If you are unmarried, your relationship will convert in a marriage. If you are in a living relationship or love relationship, you will definitely get success in a your relationship will turn in a long lasting relationship like marriage. Virgo, try to perform your best, be honest, be humble, be polite. This whole week brings lot of opportunities for you. You just need to perform your best. The more you put energy at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. On Friday and Saturday, you need to be careful while signing any document. You will be a part of any problem. Try to pay your bills, rents or taxes on time. Don't delay related to any type of financial transactions. If you give promise to anyone to deliver anything in the terms of finance, in the terms of money, must go for the transaction on time. Virgo, this whole week, the more you put efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. This whole week brings lot of positivity. You will feel much relaxed, comfort, good health is there, family atmosphere will be wonderful, and you will enjoy all around success. Just need to perform your best and put your 100% effort. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, you need to be careful while talking with your spouse from 1st March to 7th March. Your relationship is not very promising with your spouse or life partner or business partner. Your savings will spend as a unexpected expenditures, which you are not planned. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. If you are a businessman, if you are importer exporter, you will blessed with a lot of foreign transactions. But unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You are not able to manage between savings and expenditures. Especially Monday and Tuesday, try to keep your mouth mum. Give some respect to your spouse. Your Lagan Lord is combust. Don't show your stubborn nature. Don't be a part of any argument with your loved one, especially your wife or your loved one. If you will be a part of any arguments, litigations or problems, then your problems will be a worst side. You will face a lot of instability. You will face a lot of stress and tension in your mind, Libra. This whole week you may start something new, but your ascendant lord is compass, so I would suggest you have to wait till mid of the April. After mid of the April you may start anything new, but this whole week you will get a lot of opportunities are there, but you will lose your peace of mind. Mentally you are not feeling strong. Something is there which is going to irritate you. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is not very rewarding days for you in the terms of your mental peace. You will feel very low energy. You're not comfortable because your ascendant lord is combust and Jupiter Saturn is in your 4th house. You need to be careful about your mother health. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. You need to give some respect to your spouse and your mother. The more you give respect to your spouse and mother, you will be blessed with a good fortune. Otherwise, you will be a part of any trouble, any problem, any litigation, any type of arguments at home will create some panic situation. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. This whole week from 1st March to 7th March 2021, you will enjoy a lot of monetary gains. Some unexpected money will make you happy. If you are investing your money in stock market, you will bless with a good profit. If you are investing your money in real estate, you will bless with a good profit. This whole week brings new opportunities. If you are willing to settle in foreign land, you may get PR or you may get work permit, and there's a strong chances relationship with your spouse will be ultimate. Scorpio, Jupiter Saturn is in your 3rd house. You need to perform your best. Sun is in your 4th house. Give respect to your mother. Try to touch feet of your mother every day morning before start your day. Try to give some gift as a token of love to your mother. You will feel a lot of blessings. You will bless with a good fortune. Scorpio, this whole week brings a lot of positivity. You will get a lot of business opportunities because your ascendant lord transit in the 7th house, but conjunction with Rahu Ketu. But ascendant lord is in 7th house. If you are unmarried, you will be in a relationship. This whole week, someone may enter in your life as a business partner, as your life partner, as your loved one. But this relationship is not going long lasting because Angarak Yoga is in your 7th house. You will get blessed with some unexpected gains in your business. There is no doubt. You will get lot of unexpected gains from your partner sides. You will get a lot of unexpected gains from foreign land. If you are importer, exporter, if you are willing any type of foreign transaction, then this whole week brings a lot of positivity. Monday, Tuesday is a rewarding days for you when you feel much relaxed and comfort. Your old pending work related to foreign activities will be click. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected money will make you happy and you are able to clear your old debts. You will enjoy all around success and comforts. Scorpio, this whole week brings a lot of positive change in your life. I'm telling you again and again, if you're willing to settle in foreign land, then this whole week brings a lot of good opportunities. You will get PR, work permit very easily. Try to perform your best, do your best at your workplace and must give respect to your spouse and mother. Friday and Saturday, you will enjoy all around success. You will blessed with a lot of good profits. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy all around success. Scorpio, read this mantra, Sita Ram Cha Hanumate Nama. Read Ganesh Chalisa every day morning. Read Hanuman Chalisa every night before you sleep 3 times, 5 times, 7 times. And you will feel much relaxed and comfort. Scorpio, this whole week, biggest game changer for you. If you're willing to do something big, if you're willing to do something new, then these opportunities are there. Good gains is there. Don't think negative. Don't get upset. Don't think about your past. Try to perform your best. You are winner and you are born for win. Let's talk about Sagittarius Ascendant. Sagittarius Ascendant for 1st March to 7th March. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you because your Ascendant Lord transit in your 2nd house. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Your savings will rise. Some long distance or short distance journeys will make you happy. You will spend some quality time with your family and friends because your Ascendant Lord transit in 2nd house and aspecting is on your 8th house. 8th house is also house of long distance journeys. Certain long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. You will spend some quality time with your near and dear. Monday and Tuesday will be a very rewarding days for you. You will bless with a lot of success. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. You will earn a lot of money, name, fame, prosperity at your workplace. The more you put your efforts at your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Wednesday and Thursday, again, you will be bounced back because unexpected money will make you happy. If you are importer, exporter, you will sign any new contract or some unexpected foreign transactions will make you happy. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy a lot of source of earning. Multiple source of earning will make you happy. Friday and Saturday, you will go for some long distance, short distance journey with your family or friends. You will spend very good time on Friday and Saturday. You will enjoy all around success. Sagittarius, this whole week brings a lot of positivity, good gains and a lot of good appreciation from your workplace. Your seniors will be happy from your performance. Try to perform your best. This is a wonderful week for you. Just need to perform your best. Put your 100% energy at your workplace. You will definitely shine like a sun. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Capricorn, you need to be careful in this week. A relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Venus is combust. Jupiter Saturn is in your 1st house. Capricorn, this whole week brings a lot of challenge in your personal life. You will be a part of any problem or any arguments with your spouse or with your business associates. Don't be a part of any argument or any litigation because this whole week create a lot of problems. Mentally, you are not feeling happy. Your source of earning not as per your expectations. Capricorn, this is a time when God check your patience. I'm telling in my every video about Capricorn and Gemini, this whole year, God checking your patience, especially planet Saturn is checking your patience. And if you clear the exams from Saturn side, you will shine like a sun. Capricorn, be patient, relax. Monday and Tuesday will be a better days, there is no doubt, but not as per the expectations. You will be a part of any problem, any litigation with your life partner, with your business partner. You're not feeling comfortable. Your mind is not stable. Your mind is not happy. You're feeling very low energy. Wednesday and Thursday, you will earn good money from your business profession, but not as per your expectations. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you. Capricorn, the more you put effort at your workplace, the more you perform best in your personal relationship, you will get good result. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. You're not feeling happy the response you get from your spouse. You're not feeling happy the response you get from your seniors and workplace. But be humble, keep your mouth mum and perform your best. You will definitely get some achievements after some time. But this whole week brings a lot of challenge, up and down, instability, tension, stress. So you need to be careful and must read Goddess Kali Chalisa every night before you sleep. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascenders from 1st March to 7th March 2021. Some unexpected expenditures will irritate you, but some foreign partnership will make you happy. You may invest your money in a faraway place where you are living, and foreign partners will give you very good tips, or foreign partner will give you very good advice. That will be a biggest game changer for you. Aquarius, you need to perform your best. Try to pay your bill on time. Monday and Tuesday, you will be a part of any problem. Your health is not very promising. You're feeling very low energy. Stomach-related trouble or backbone-related trouble will irritate you. Aquarius, relationship with your spouse will be a matter of concern. Don't show your attitude, ego, or stubborn nature in front of anyone. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Jupiter, Saturn is in your 12th house. Sun is in your 1st house. Some unnecessary burden or unnecessary arguments with anyone create some panic situation. Monday and Tuesday, you need to be careful about your health. Wednesday and Thursday, some unexpected money will make you happy. Your health will fine. You will enjoy a very good time, but you need to give some respect to your spouse. You need to give some respect to your elders at home. Aquarius, this whole week brings a lot of up and down for you. The more you put your positive energy, think positive, perform best, you will get good results. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascenders. This whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will enjoy all around success. Good gains are there. You will enjoy unexpected monetary gains. Your health will fine. Your desires will be fulfilled. Some long distance journeys will make you happy. You will enjoy all around success. Pisces, the more you put effort in your workplace, the more you get fantastic results. Jupiter, Saturn is in your 11th house. If you have a Jupiter Mahadasha, Saturn Mahadasha, if you have a Mars Mahadasha in your individual birth chart, you will definitely be blessed with a lot of success. Just need to perform your best at your workplace. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. This whole week, you may be blessed with a lot of appreciation at your workplace. But some instability in your mind will create some panic situation. Overall, Pisces, if you are going to investment, then this is a very good week for you, very promising week for you. There is strong chances for start some new venture in partnership, and planets is in your favor if you have a good Mahadasha or Antardasha in your individual birth chart. So must consult with your nearest astrologer to start anything new. But Monday and Tuesday will be a biggest game changer days for you, when you will be blessed with a lot of money. Some unexpected money will make you happy. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. So you will get some order from far away place. If you are importer exporter, if you are invested your money in foreign land, this is a wonderful time when you will be blessed with a lot of success. Pisces, this is your year. This is your time. This whole week brings a lot of new opportunities for you. Wednesday and Thursday, you will be blessed with a lot of good gains. Your savings will rise and you will enjoy all around success. If you have a good Mahadasha in your individual birth chart, you will enjoy a lot of good movements. You feel very positive and happy energy. Friday and Saturday, you will spend some time with your family and friends, and you may go for some short distance journeys. This whole week brings a lot of positivity, peace of mind, success, reward, reputation, and a lot of growth. Financial, you will be sky high and top. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam.